Hello, I have a new matching Zara set for us. It's super similar to one I shared last spring and it's incredible. Okay, of course I had to grab the cream colored one. It is so soft, it's not see-through. The material is definitely different than the set that they had last year with this like same exact cut. The top I did a medium in and the length of it's pretty good. I would say just get your true size. And then the pants I also did in a medium. They have that nice drawstring waistband, which is wonderful. And then the length on these is perfect. I'm actually wearing them with a flat sandal just to show you that you could wear these very casually and like on vacation, for traveling, whatever. The sandals are Zara too. They're so cute. I feel like I'm gonna wear these all the time. Styled up this look with some accessories. They are all Zara. And then this little straw bag. How cute is that? I love the gold hardware. It's got a dark brown chocolate straw color to it. It's so cute. I love this look. This will be perfect for a vacation. And then this is the chocolate brown color in case the cream is not for you. I love the brown. I feel like it's perfect for vacation and travel as well. You don't have to worry about getting it dirty or your self-tanner coming off on it. And then I styled it with the same bag as before. Looks super cute, and then those same sandals from earlier. I also grabbed another pair of sandals. Super nice sole. They feel like leather, and then it has these little gold straps, which I feel like is super cute. I will wear these all the time. Top, medium, and bottom. The fit is the exact same as the cream color, and I just love it. This is going to be a staple outfit that I wear all spring and summer long.